OpenAI's Codex coding app has seen standalone Mac and Windows releases since launch, but now OpenAI is expanding its access to mobile. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. All ChatGPT users, including the Go and free ones, can use Codex through the ChatGPT app on Android and iOS. To be clear, you won't be using Codex program on your phone. Instead, ChatGPT mobile app is acting here as an intermediary between you and whatever environment you've set it up for your coding projects. That might seem limiting, but it means your files, credentials, and permissions stay secure on the machine where Codex is running. ChatGPT can still deliver updates, including screenshots and test results, while you're on the go, and you can prompt Codex from your phone as well. It means you can set Codex to work on something at home or the office, leave for the day, and the software can contact you when it needs a decision on how to move forward, reducing downtime on type projects. OpenAI says Codex uses a secure relay layer that keeps trusted machines reachable across devices without exposing them directly to the public internet. That relay also keeps active session state and contacts synced anywhere where you're signed in ChatGPT. OpenAI isn't just competing with Anthropic, which has launched Claude Code on mobile since last fall. It's another step in OpenAI's ongoing super app project. In March, the company confirmed it was working on a single desktop app that would combine ChatGPT, Codex, and its Atlas into a cohesive experience. Building something that gives people a way to access parts of that platform from their mobile device seems like a no-brainer. To try out the new integration, you can update the ChatGPT app on your phone and the Codex app on Mac with the support for connecting the Windows apps coming soon. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates.